Hi friends, it's time to learn phonics again. So get your book. Now before we continue on, let's review a little bit about what have we learned so far. Now we are still concentrating on the A, E, I, O, U. Now I just want to go over a little bit on words that begins with the letter A. For example, A for ant. Ant. The beginning sound for the word ant is a, a, a. And another word that begins with the letter A is arrow. Arrow. The beginning sound for arrow is also a, a, a. How about we continue on to the next vowel letter, which is the letter E. And E makes the sound eh, eh, eh. Now what are the words that begins with the letter E or the sound eh, eh, eh? Here's one. Elephant. Elephant. Can you hear the eh, eh, eh in the beginning when I say elephant? Now let's continue on to the next letter, which is the letter I, which makes the sound E, E, E. Now, words that has the E, E sound is igloo. Igloo. Can you hear it when I say igloo? The sound E, E, E. Another word is iguana. Iguana. Let's continue to the next vowel letter, which is O, which makes the sound ah, ah, ah. Now words that begins with the letter O is octopus. Octopus. Or orange. Orange. Those are some words that begins with the ah, ah sound. Now let's continue on to the next letter, which is the letter U, which makes the sound. Sound. For example, the word umbrella. Umbrella. Or the word uncle. Uncle. There is the sound in the beginning. Now let's open your book, your phonics book, to page 16. What we're going to do on page 16 is we're going to write the correct letter in the blank. So first, just name the pictures and try to guess the beginning sound for each picture. Now let's look at the first picture. The first picture is a picture of an umbrella. Umbrella. Can you hear the beginning sound when I say umbrella? What letter do you think it is? It's the letter that makes the sound What letter is that? Yes, it's the letter U. So write the letter U in the blank space. Now let's name the next picture. The next picture here is this one. It's a picture of an octopus. Octopus. What's the beginning sound when I say octopus? What do you hear? Octopus. Octopus. What letter makes the sound? Yes, it is the letter O. So write the letter O there. Now the picture in the middle. Eskimos live there. Now let me say the word first. Igloo. 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 Can you hear the beginning sound when I say igloo? Now what letter makes the E sound? Yes, it is the letter I. So write the letter I there. Now the next picture is a picture of an egg. Egg. Can you hear the beginning sound when I say egg? What letter makes the sound? Yep, it is the letter E. E makes the sound eh. Write the letter E there. Now let's look at the last picture on that page. The picture is ant. Ant. Can you hear the beginning sound when I say ant? What letter makes the sound? Yes, it is the letter A. So write the letter A in that space. Now let's continue on to page 17. On page 17, it's mostly the same thing. You will name the picture and try to find or listen to the beginning sound. And what you have to do is draw the line to match to the letter for that sound. So let's look at the first picture. The first picture is a picture of an elbow. Elbow. Which letter am I going to match that to? Elbow. The sound. Which letter is that? Yes, it's the letter E. So draw the line and connect the picture to the beginning sound E. Now, for the next picture, I want you to do that one on your own. Can you do it? Work with your mom and dad, okay? So that is our phonics lesson for today. I hope you will have a great day, and don't forget to stay healthy, drink lots of water, and eat lots of fruits and vegetables. So Miss Gabby will see you again next time. Bye!